Today we're gonna make these adorable, no-bake Valentine's chocolate cheesecake bites. Let's see. Delicious. So for Valentine's Day this year, I am making my kids a homemade treat. We're gonna make Valentine's chocolate covered cheesecake balls. So we're gonna get started with 8 ounces of soft cream cheese. And put that in there, and we're gonna soften it with our hand mixer. Okay, nice and soft. Now we're gonna add in our powdered sugar. So that's 1/3 of a cup of powdered sugar. And now our cocoa powder. So we have 1/4 of a cup of cocoa to make them nice and chocolatey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Simple, not many ingredients. My spatula here, let's get all of this nice and soft. And now we're gonna add in Oreo. So you can do Oreo or cookie crumble. My daughter loves Oreos, so we're gonna use that. And now we're gonna fold in the Oreo crumble. So the cookie is all well distributed throughout the cheesecake mixture. Perfect. Okay, next step. We're gonna roll these into balls and put them in the refrigerator so that they can set, and then we're gonna dip them in chocolate. So I have a small ice cream scooper here that I use to measure out my cookies. So that way they're around the same size. There we go. I'm gonna roll them just like that. Put them on the baking sheet. Our chocolate cheesecake balls have set. Look, nice and firm. So now we can dip them in chocolate. So depending on what you were making these for, since I'm making them for Valentine's Day, I'm gonna use some funfetti white melting chocolate. I'm gonna melt that in 30-second increments in the microwave. And I'm gonna drizzle them with some fun sprinkles and red to make them for a special treat for Valentine's Day. So we have our white chocolate melted here. And now we're gonna dip them. So I'm gonna use this little skewer because I think we're gonna dip the whole thing in chocolate and shake off the excess. And we're gonna let them dry. I'm gonna put them back on this parchment lined baking sheet. And what I'll do is we're gonna drizzle some fun chocolate on top. So we'll keep doing that.
Wait a minute.
So we've dipped our chocolate cheesecake balls in the white chocolate, and then I'm gonna just drizzle some red on top to make it nice and fun and festive. You could do pink, any color you want. Now we have some fun sprinkles. Look how adorable. Can we get ready to plate these? So I put them in the refrigerator for a few more minutes so that the chocolate can get nice and hard, and now we can plate them. little plate here with some sprinkles. Adorable. And these are ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.